how to specify CSS selectors for Google Ads enhance conversions. It is actually quite simple process. So depending on what you want to track in this option here, simply go to your website, let's say your web form or e-commerce checkout form. Press on F12 on your keyboard, select the arrow key and hover over a particular element here. Let's say a name field, right click and press inspect. As you can see, it's highlighted. Then right click, copy selector and paste that into a document if you want to add different ones. Let's now look at this email field. Let's right click, inspect and copy selector. So Google Ads enhance conversions wants comma separated values. So we can provide a comma for that field. Let's say you also want to look at name and addresses, and you simply do the same thing for your web forms. Then simply copy that. Actually, for the name field for my example, I would need to paste that in there. Okay, phone number, I don't use it. Actually, that was the email address, I'm sorry. The name field would be that for my example. Let's say the email would be this one here, the second one. That's a selector, CSS selector. Then I would paste that for the email address and then save changes. So this is how easy it is to specify CSS selectors for Google Ads enhanced conversions.